Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're looking for a beautiful, hardy, and long-lasting flower for your shade garden, Astilbe is a great choice. These are some Astilbes that we have growing. We've had these for a few years. As you can see, they're a very thick, kind of fluffy looking flower. Sometimes they're called false goat's beard. I've heard them called that. But they're just a really beautiful perennial for your shade garden that will last a long time, because each one of these kind of flower heads is just full of hundreds of little flowers that open up in succession. So, when they start flowering, they tend to last quite a long time. This is what they look like earlier in the season, so as they're just starting to get going. Even the foliage is kind of cool with these. They have a neat shape to the leaves, but this is when they start coming up in early summer. So here's a little bit of look at the foliage, but even the stems and everything are, on this variety anyway, are red. Astilbes come in all different colors. You see like white ones, red ones, obviously these pink ones. There's all kinds of shades. You can get mixed Astilbe, where it has like a bunch of different color flowers together. So this one I bought, I think, at just a local garden center a few years ago. It was just in a little tiny pot. So they will spread. I mean, they'll spread faster than like the Lenten Rose I made a video on, but not quite like the Bleeding Heart that became a shrub on us. This guy stays a really nice compact size. I mean, it will spread out quite a bit, but it isn't going to invade and just dominate your garden. But I would say this thing probably quadrupled in size since we've had it a couple years ago. So it was just in a tiny little like 4-inch pot, and it's really happy here where it is. And this is, I'd say, like moderate to not quite full shade, but pretty darn close, because it's on the north side of our garage. Here's a closer look at the flowers before they open. Even before they open, this is filmed, I think, in May, this part of the video, and even then they look cool. So they start to get some color, they give you some interest. They really look good in striking against a wall or something like that, where they can really pop. But they're just a really fun flower. That's a nice zoom in there on all the different individual flowers, and when those open up, they'll look like this, where they just kind of poof up and become really colorful. They'll last like this, for us anyway, for a good month easily. So it'll be mid to late August before they really start to tail off for the year. Also, in terms of hardiness, these are hardy all the way down to zone 3, so you can pretty much grow them anywhere, which is another huge plus for the garden. So thank you for watching. Certainly consider Astilbe for your shade to moderately shady spots of your garden.